Hey, we're really excited to be here today with our good friends Axalta. Axalta and 3M, we've come together, working together for many, many years. But we saw the opportunity to really partner of how we bring training and education to the industry. So Axalta is a tremendous partner on the paint side. We're bringing the abrasives and masking tape and everything we're doing on the allied side. And how do we bring that together and help people, educate people? It's not about products, not about selling our own products, it's about training the industry. And we know from our customers, the end users, the body shop owners, this is one of the biggest opportunities, the biggest needs they have in this industry is how we work together. How can we train new people coming in this organization of how to make a repair in the right way, in a quality way, and then driving productivity and efficiency in what we do. So I could not be more excited to be here today, here in Las Vegas with our good friends from Axalta, working together to bring the next to this industry.